if you are just starting out with Cricut, I would suggest, instead of going and buying a whole bunch of images, start with the free ones until you learn what you're doing. So click on Images, go over here to Filter, and now you can click on Free. Every one of these images are free for you to use and design with and cut with and create things. And there's cards. Here's a thing to make earrings. And it's in here for you for free. So go check it out and see what you can make. Oh, there's a card. Free. Who doesn't love free stuff? And there's a lot of it. Okay? Go look. It's all free.